What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these bad boys right here, the brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Now, this pair of truly wireless headphones, which will set you back about $170, are shaped sort of like beans. So I'm definitely very excited to get them out of the box and see what they're like. So without further ado, folks, let's get to doing just that. Here we go. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. Flew back to Atlanta, got the sack like I'm Santa. I'm sipping that soda, but no, it's not Fanta. Beat hit like a hammer, got bars like the slammer. Big Daddy the OG, and you is a scammer. You make excuses and I'm making bands. Drip like a faucet like I'm Dapper Dan. However you call it, boy, I am the man. Straight to the White House talking Uncle Sam. Get my credit card, say CEO. Hop in the whip like here we go. Review that thing just so you know. And spend these racks just to make some more. Big Daddy chasing bags all the way back. No cap, my iPhone green but my Hermes all black. Everything I say is only all facts. You just a catfish, really not all that. Hey. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live box. As you can see in the front, we have a picture of these headphones. I have them in the Mystic Bronze color, but there are also two other colors, Mystic Black and Mystic White. Right here, it says Buds Live. Right here, it says Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And yeah, anyway, over here in the back of the box, it says once again, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. It says ergonomic fit, 6 to 21 hours of playtime, triple mics for clear call, and active noise cancellation. It also says sound by AKG and Bluetooth right here. So yeah, without further ado, let's just open up this box. We can shimmy, 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 and hopefully the inside of the box comes out in just a second. And here we go. We can just pull it off and boom, here are the Galaxy Buds Live. We can take this plastic off of them and right here it says Samsung once again, sound by AKG. And let's pop this open and wow, those are really shiny. They actually look pretty good, although that bean shape is a little bit silly. And let's just put these to the side for just 1 second and see what else is in the box. So right here we have, let's see, yep, we have a charging cable for the carrying case right here. It's a USB-C to standard USB cable, and yeah, we can pull this up. And now, oop, we got one more thing right here. It says Samsung. I bet we got some paperwork in here. We can just pop this open and let's see. Yup, just some paperwork right here. We got a quick start guide. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the actual headphones themselves. And now, guys, anyway, first impressions. This carrying case is super duper small, which is actually great for portability. Anyway, we can open it back up again. We see L right here, R right here, standing for left and right, of course. And let's pop these cute little buds out. And wow, guys, from the back, these headphones designs are even more interesting. I actually had to look at the quick start guide to see where the actual speaker is, and believe it or not, it is down here. Originally I thought this area might be the ear tip because it sort of looks like an ear tip, but no siree, it is not. This is actually the charging area. As you can see, it meets with the charging connectors right here. So what you're going to want to do is put this area right here into your actual ear. So let's see if I can get this correct. Okay, let's see. Ooh, wow, that did feel kind of weird. Okay, so it just like sort of slips into my ear. Oh, wow. Wow. Once it's in, it actually feels pretty snug though. Wow, not bad at all. Okay, folks, now let's get these buds connected to my iPhone. And folks, just like that, now I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live all nice and connected to my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here, and I've actually been listening to a bunch of different songs on them to give you guys my first impression, so here they come. First of all, audio quality. These headphones actually sound really good, especially at higher volumes. Like, I was seriously jamming out a few minutes ago listening to all these songs and singing along. Like, I had a lot of fun. So definitely great job on audio quality on these headphones. And also, I've got to comment on that bean-shaped design. As you saw when I first took them out of the box, I thought the design might be a little bit weird, but actually when I looked at myself in the mirror, these just look like normal headphones. So I'm actually kind of digging the design, and also when they're in my ears, they actually feel comfortable. So I've tried a lot of truly wireless earbuds that are either super uncomfortable in my ears, look super duper ugly, or are just like falling out of my ears, and these Galaxy Buds Live are literally none of those things. I think they actually look great. This shiny, misty mystic bronze color. I think looks super beautiful. It's like a little bling in my ears. I love it, and they're comfortable and they're not falling out. So great job so far, Samsung. I'm definitely liking these buds so far. And anyway, now that you guys have heard my first impressions of them, let's carry on that Warenotice tradition of me singing along to a song every time I unbox a pair of headphones. In this video, we're going to be singing along to Big Bank by YG, featuring Big Sean and Nicki Minaj. So anyway, folks, here we go. My girl drive an all-white Range. Couldn't hit it if your boys had aim. Lames can't call in, you lame. You had it, then you lost it, hall of shame. I could buy a Bentley, don't talk to me. For a show, 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. Hey, I set the bar, I'm the real bar. Look in the sky, I'm a real star. I don't fall in love cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt, man, extra large. I don't care, I'll crash the ghost. Got 2 cribs in 2 states, I've been doing the most. I got real big money that I won't blow. And if you ask why, cause the smart folks don't. Big bank, take little bank. Big bank, take little bank. The type of money you gonna need a safe. Type of money you gonna need a bank. And folks, there I was once again singing along to Big Bank by YG, featuring 2 Chainz, Big Sean, and Nicki Minaj. Great song right there. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. Now, also folks, let's get back to talking about the Galaxy Buds Live. Obviously, you can sing along to music with them. Now, let's talk about the touch controls. So the touch controls on these headphones actually work really well, and they're really simple too. So to play or pause your music, all you gotta do is touch once on either earbud. So right now, I don't have Big Bank playing. But if I tap right here, guess what, guys? Now it is playing. Oh, yeah. Big Bank, take Lil Bank. And now if I want to pause, guys, all I got to do is tap on either earbud and boom, tap. I actually got to hit the earbud, though. I'm missing it. And there it was. Now it is paused. And once again, folks, now if I want to play, just tap again one time. And now it's playing, and I'll probably need to pause it again. So pause, and boom, just like that. Real nice and easy. Now, another one of the touch controls, folks, is skipping to the next song. To do that, all you gotta do is double tap on either headphone. So boom, boom, double tap, and now skip to the next song. And another touch control is triple tapping on either headphone to skip to the previous song. So 1, 2, 3, and boom. Did it work? 1, 2, 3, and... yep, there it went. Skip to the previous song, and 1, 2, 3, and boop, 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 1, 2, 3, and skip to the previous song once again. So yeah, there are the touch controls on these Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And I mean, yeah, guys, now with that, we've completed our nice, quick, easy unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Once again, if you want these headphones for yourself, they'll set you back about $170. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these headphones. I do love hearing from you guys after all, so definitely let me know down there. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, because after all, guys, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, baby. Bye.